You know, the cold is also an expression of water, because obviously you have something inside you and it runs out. So I don't think it's something to be ashamed of, you know. If your nose is running out, it's water coming out. Maybe there's an excess. The excess of what? Water. Hey Baker, how are you? And in our gratitude to water, we always still remember the trees, because they too are water, just like us. You know, ironic, isn't it? The tree is full of water, humans are full of water, and you say thank you to water, you say thank you to the trees, you know, and thank you.